Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. And when you consider where the price was on Friday at these lows, and all of a sudden the price is up there. Sure, the price pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 26 cents. Why is 26 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about it. If the price were to come down here, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price came down to 26 and then just continued on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress, again, as 26 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, it's all about the pink line up here, the famous 200 period moving average, and that's right now up around the 29.5 cent mark. But that level will move and change as the week plays out. But as of right now, top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so going through some healthy consolidations and chipping away with those higher bases. So all in all, nice start to the week, very nice bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.